Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Please excuse me because I just had some water and that's my son growling in the background. I didn't want to put this away, guys, until I showed you what I got. I was at Home Goods and TJ Maxx here. They're combined together as one big store. So let me show you what I got. All right, so I'm gonna start out with this beautiful throw by Rachel Zoe. Look at this blanket, it's so plush and gorgeous, and look, it was reduced. So I got it for $19, and I think that was because, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the package. I think it was because somebody tried to take it out of that wrapping, and then they had to like re-put it back. I don't see anything at all, so let me just pull this down. Okay. Yeah, I should have just got the scissors. Of course, all right, so let me just take it out of here. So again, it's Rachel's Zoe, and it was marked down. What was the original price? Let's see. I don't know if I saw the original price. They have a tape over it. Let's see if I can. No, I tore it off. $20-something, maybe. I'm not sure. So this is, somebody must have tried to take it out of here and they couldn't put it back on the rack. They couldn't put it back on the rack properly, and there's so many of these clips over here, so they couldn't get it out. And then when they tried to put it back in the packaging, it didn't look neat. So guys, I don't know how anybody tries to take these things out of the wrapping in the store, because there's so many areas, but I don't see anything wrong. So anyway, it was reduced to $19. Great price. Look at this throw. It's so soft. So awesome buy. And I love the color cream. I don't have to put this away at all. It's very cold up here. So I got this. I also, let me put this aside. So I also got this basket. It was the perfect size for the area that I wanted. So the basket was $16.99, if you could see the tag here, $16.99, and that was TommyBahama.com. It was such tiny writing on the bottom there. Okay, but the gold mine is what I found in what I put inside of this. So here's my receipt, and we're getting ready for a collaboration. Actually, I wanted these dishes anyway, just in case. I just wanted to add to my collection because now I'm trying to build. And I saw these dishes, and let me see, these were not on clearance. Look at these dishes, absolutely gorgeous, guys. So I got 2 of these. Let me just put this, garbage there. Okay, so we got 2 of these. Now these were not from the set that I'm about to show you. So these are absolutely gorgeous. See the gorgeous trim, the back. This is what the back says. Let me just put the back on there. Okay, so I got 2 of these, and I thought, wait till you see the second set, they're gonna match beautifully. Okay, I was gonna get them both, but I like the contrast, and you see what I mean. Look at these dishes, guys. I got these from Home Goods. Let me see. So this is Grace. I'm not sure what that second wording is, but they were $5.99, as you can see here. And look at this dish. Is this not gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. So now when you place them together, I'll give you an idea. When you place these together, look at this. This is, I cannot tell you how gorgeous this looks to me. And I hope that you have the same vibes too, the same feelings. Beautiful. So I am so excited about these dishes. I thought they were in the clearance section, but honestly they weren't. So they had the same dish and the salad dish to match this, but I had to get these. Just had to get these. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. I was jumping for joy. So between the basket and the dishes, I was so excited. And she couldn't put enough tape on it. I mean, I literally had to tell her to stop putting tape. So much tape. Because it would have taken me forever to get it out. So I got 2 of these. So let me show you again because I'm so excited. So we got 2 of these right here. And those were $5.99, which is really, it's not bad for good dishes. And then $4.99 for these. So together, I'm so excited. Look at this. I am just like, I cannot even explain to you how happy I am right now. So that's what I got. And I got the throw, and then this is the basket. This is the basket, $16.99. I think it's the perfect size for the area that I'm gonna put it in. And of course, the blanket is going to go in there. And this throw is gonna go in there. And I am just like so excited over this whole, I'm just having so much fun picking up little pieces here and there just to help my home look so nice. So I am very excited about this in my throw. And of course my dishes are like the cherry on the top of the ice cream or the cake, whatever that means. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this short haul as much as I enjoyed showing you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.